Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A swimming pool is a recreational and luxurious addition to any property, offering a refreshing oasis for relaxation, exercise, and enjoyment. With its clear, glistening waters, a swimming pool transforms a backyard or a resort into a vibrant hub of entertainment and leisure. The design and size of a swimming pool can vary, catering to different preferences and available space. A classic rectangular pool exudes a timeless elegance, while a kidney-shaped or free-form pool adds a touch of organic and natural charm. Infinity-edge pools create a breathtaking illusion of water cascading over the edge, seamlessly merging with the horizon. Each design choice contributes to the overall ambience and enhances the visual appeal of the pool area. The color of the pool water can be tailored to suit the desired aesthetic. Traditional blue hues offer a serene and inviting atmosphere, while darker shades create a sophisticated and luxurious feel. Some pools feature mosaic or tile patterns at the bottom, adding a touch of artistry and personalization to the pool design. The surrounding pool deck and landscaping play a crucial role in creating a cohesive and inviting outdoor space. A well-designed pool deck can accommodate lounging areas, outdoor furniture, and space for sunbathing. The landscaping around the pool can include lush greenery, tropical plants, or flowering shrubs, creating a resort-like ambience that complements the water feature. Safety features are essential considerations for any swimming pool. Fencing, pool covers, and pool alarms can help prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of swimmers, especially for families with young children. Adequate pool maintenance and regular water testing are also vital for ensuring the water quality remains clean and safe for use. Swimming pools offer numerous benefits beyond entertainment and leisure. They provide an excellent space for physical exercise and swimming, promoting cardiovascular health and muscle strength. Water-based exercises are gentle on the joints and suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Pools can be used for social gatherings and outdoor entertainment, creating a focal point for parties, barbecues, and family gatherings. Poolside lounging areas and outdoor dining spaces make the pool area a hub of enjoyment during warm weather. The swimming pool is a symbol of relaxation, fun, and escape from daily stresses. Whether it's for a refreshing dip on a hot day, a few laps to unwind, or enjoying playful moments with family and friends, a swimming pool is a valuable asset that elevates the lifestyle of those fortunate enough to have one. In conclusion, a swimming pool is a captivating and luxurious feature that transforms any property into an oasis of relaxation and entertainment. With its versatile design options, inviting pool deck, and safety measures, a swimming pool becomes a place of enjoyment and well-being for all ages. Beyond its visual appeal, a pool encourages an active lifestyle and fosters memorable moments with loved ones. Whether found in a private backyard or a lavish resort, the swimming pool is an alluring centerpiece that enhances the beauty and allure of any outdoor space. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!